are going to learn the meaning of two terms that are often mixed up all the time by people. That is the meaning of agriculture and the meaning of agricultural science. And at the end of this video, you will be able to answer the question. Number one, define agriculture. Two, define agricultural science. Three, come up with real life situations that show each of these things, either agriculture or agricultural science. So looking at the slides, you see a carton of milk, you see a cotton shirt, you see a loaf of bread. What do all these three have in common? They all come from the farm. Yes, they all come from the farm. The bread started out as a wheat plant on the farm. The milk started out as cows that are raised in a dairy. And the cotton shirt started as a cotton plant from a farm. Now, most of the food we eat and even we, some of the items we wear, can all be traced back to the farm. So, in essence, whatever is done on the farm is agriculture. Now, let's delve into the meaning of agriculture. There are two versions of the definition that I'll be giving you in this video. There's the classic textbook definition. It says that agriculture is the science and art of raising of cultivation of crops and raising of livestock for the benefit of man. The other definition for everyday use is that agriculture is the practice of cultivating the land, growing crops, and raising livestock for food, fiber, and other materials that are of benefit to man. The two definitions, said in different ways, carry core ideas like hands-on activities involving planting, involving harvesting, raising of animals, irrigation, and so on and so forth. Now, this where it gets interesting. Agricultural science is the application of scientific knowledge, biology, chemistry, and technology to improve farming practices, crop yield, and sustainability. Agricultural science is the research side, soil and genetics research, pest and disease control, irrigation technology, crop yield, sustainable practices, and crop farm equipment innovation. It's the reason farmers today can grow much more food than they could 100 years ago. Here's the simplest way to remember the difference between agriculture and agricultural science. Agriculture is the doing, the practical aspect, planting, harvesting, raising livestock, day-to-day farm work. Agricultural science, on the other hand, is the studying and improving on farming practices involving research, genetics, breeding, pest control methods, irrigation system. One is the practice, and that is agriculture, while the other one is the studying and improving on, and that is agricultural science. So let's put this into practice. Pick an item. Pick an item. We started at the beginning, now we're taking it again. Pick an item and map out its journey right from the source to the finished product. That is right from the raw material to the finished product. And share your idea in the comment section. I would like to see what you have come up with. So here's something worth thinking about. Could we feed the world today without agricultural science? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. If the topic has been very interesting to you, there are real careers around it. For example, agronomist, soil scientist, agricultural engineering, veterinary medicine, and so on. All work together to improve farming practices, to make it safer and more sustainable. So, by now, you should be able to answer the questions we started with at the beginning, define agriculture, to define agricultural science, and come up with real life situations that show the activities that are under agriculture and activities that fall under agricultural science.